Guys, I'll see you in Victoria. I'll be there in about 3.5 hours. What's going on, guys? This is Logan here. Welcome back in our video. Today we're going to Vancouver Island, Victoria area to unload our stuff because we're going to be moving there soon. So I'll take you guys along on this journey. Today we're just basically just traveling, getting there, and then tomorrow we'll be actually packing or unpacking stuff, like putting it into storage. So I'll take you guys along on this journey, and let's go.
We can ride, we can fly, we can go up high, right through the sky, out past the stars. You know we can fly, you know we can ride, we can go up high, right through the sky, out past the stars. We can go so high, we can soar, we can fly, we can go up high. Yeah, we can fly, we can go up high. Mama, let's go right again, let's go the other end. Let's go from these sides, here we go, let's hit the road. Oh, we can go anywhere you wanna go. Go with the flow, driving down the highway. Gotta get our way, driving in the fast lane. Oh, we can hop on a plane, fly away to another place in paradise. I know everything will be just fine, just fine. We can ride, we can fly, we can go up high, right.
Alright, we just got to the ferry terminal. I will pick it up once we get onto the ferry with some more B-roll. So I'll see you guys then.
Stars, you know we can fly, you know we can ride, we can go up high, right through the sky, up past the stars. We can go so high, we can soar, we can fly, we can go up high. We can ride, we can fly, we can go up high, right through the sky, up past the stars. You know we can fly, you know we can ride, we can go up high. Yeah, my mama told me that I could do anything if I believe you can succeed. She said just gotta follow all of your dreams. You're gonna do it one day at a time. Gotta make it through all these tough times. I know whenever I am feeling down, all I gotta do is I just gotta go. I gotta hit it, I gotta go with the flow. I gotta hit the open road. We can ride, we can fly, we can go up high, right through the sky, out past the stars. You know we can fly, you know we can ride, we can go up high, right through the sky, out past the stars. We can go so high, we can soar, we can fly, we can go up high, up high. We can ride, we can fly, we can go up high, right through the sky, out past the stars. You know we can fly, you know we can ride, we can go up high, right through the sky, out past the stars. We can go so high, we can soar, we can fly, we can go up high, up high.
Alright, so yeah, we just got to the hotel, just had to drop off our RV. We're gonna unload stuff into storage tomorrow, then we're gonna head back to Kamloops, and then yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you like it, leave the blue thumbs up, there, subscribe down below for more content, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.